What if I told you that the most profitable bouquet you will ever sell never needs water, while real roses fades in week? These hand-stitched blooms are becoming the forever gift of choice for Gen Z and millennials. Whether you are a hobbyist looking for to pay for your yarn stash or even an entrepreneur ready to build a full-time brand, today is about more than just stitch. We are diving into the ultimate crochet bouquet inspiration guide from category daisies to moody gothic tulips, and I am sharing the secret sauce on how to price and package these to actually sell online. Let's get hooked. First, let's look at the bread and butter of the industry. You can go wrong with the sunburned flower, its universal symbol of the happiness. Notice how these creators use a slightly fuzzy yarn for the center to add relief. Moving into tulip, these are the entry-level bouquet for sellers because they work up so fast. If you are selling on Etsy and TikTok shop, bundle of 3, 5 and 12 are your magic number. Pro tip, use a wireframe inside the stem so your customer can pose them. A floppy flower is a sad flower. And don't sleep on filler flowers. Lavender and baby breaths are the unsung heroes. They add volume to your bouquet and without asking a massive amount of labor time, allowing you to increase your price point while keeping your margins healthy. To stand out online, you need a vibe. People don't just buy flowers, they buy a feeling. Look at the dark romance collection, deep burgundies, charcoal leaves, and maybe a crochet wet spider details. This is perfect for the alt crowd or unconventional Valentine's gift. On the flip side, we have the grandma core aesthetic, soft peaches, cream whites, and vintage lace ribbons. When you are posting these, give them a name. Don't just call it pink flower, call it the Sunday morning picnic bouquet. Storytelling sells. Now let's talk the business. You could have the most beautiful stitches in the world, but if your photo looks like it's taken in the dark basement, it won't sell. The wrap is 50 of the product. Invest in Korean style waterproof red pink paper. It's matte, it holds its shape and it screams luxury. Notice how layering different color of paper create depths. For your photos, use natural and direct sunlight. Show the bouquet being held. It keeps the customer understand the scale. If you are selling online, the photo is the only thing you can touch. Make it look soft enough to feel through the screen. 10 minutes inspiration is great, but action is better. My challenge to you, pick 3 flower types this week, perfect them, wrap them like they are going to roll wedding and get them posted. The crochet maker is booming because people value the slow made movement. They want something that lasts as long as their memories do. Which of these designs was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. I am personally obsessed with those blue hydrangeas we saw earlier. Don't forget to check the description for a list of my favorite yarn brand for the specific build. Subscribe for more crochet in your tips and I will see you in the next one. Happy stitching!